Hi, I'm Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we are going to create a liability waiver for baseball camp, baseball academies, baseball clinics, or even baseball tournaments, right? So the idea is that you have here a waiver that we're going to design. So it's a very simple drag and drop. You can add images, upload it, or even from Canva to like put it on brand. And then we're going to collect information, right? So in this example, it's a child part waiver. So we're going to collect information on the parent. If I click on the edit button here, I can add in more fields, make some optional, make some required based on your needs. And then we have also the participant or the child information, which I can also collect more or less information based on my needs. And this is where the waiver comes into place, right? So we have a section here that we're going to call assumption of risk and consent liability. So you would come and copy paste, the waiver you built out with your lawyers, and you just or you already have on a paper or in another software, and you kind of copy paste it here, and you add the checkbox and make it required so that people have to click on I read and accept before being able to sign it, right? Then you can add other steps like yes, and obviously the electronic signature box. You can also add many more options. So one example is, are we, media release? Are we allowed to take pictures, yes or no, to be shared on social media? So you really build it out based on your organization's needs. And once that's done, super simple for parents to fill it. You click on visitor fill to test it out. So I would come in and I would just go put in my name information about that are required. So everything you see with that little star means that it's required. And then you'd just go through the form, fill out the information, maybe add 2 kids if you want to allow 2 kids. Click on this, and then simply go in and click on agree and submit the waiver. Once that's done, you get a copy, PDF copy stored in your account, and the client also gets, the person who signed it also gets a copy, a PDF copy. Lastly, there's many ways to share it. So you can embed it on your website. One thing that's very popular for last minute waivers is a QR code. So at the front of your event or at the front of your clinic, somebody who forgot to sign the waiver can just scan it and sign it when they drop off their child. You have a unique link, and you can also send the form. So Activity Messenger allows you to also send waivers or any type of communication by email, by SMS, and you can select a list or a specific class to send this waiver to. So yeah, I hope this was useful. If you're looking to digitalize your waivers for your baseball academy, you can visit activitymessenger.com. We do a bunch of other stuff like email marketing, online registration, ticketing, surveys, and automated communications that could be useful. So visit activitymessenger.com. Thanks.